How to make $100 per day with CPA marketing. Welcome everyone, I'm Erica. I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can use CPA marketing to start earning right away from today, guys. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to need, of course, is a CPA network. You need to go ahead and sign up with a CPA network. You could use Market Health, Peerfly, Max Bounty, ClickSure, and there are a lot of great CPA networks out there, but those are the ones that I use and I highly recommend them. Anyway, so once you're on your CPA network, first off, you need to know what CPA marketing is if you're new to this whole CPA thing. Anyway, CPA means cost per action. So you get paid whenever you're able to drive traffic to a specific offer and your traffic converts, like if the person puts in their email address or they actually purchase the product, you get paid a certain commission. That is CPA marketing in a nutshell. So I'm on my Market Health dashboard. Now, the problem with CPA marketing is that your links from CPA networks are not allowed on certain social media platforms like Pinterest and Facebook and other social platforms do not allow CPA links. So that is the main problem most people have when they're working with CPA network. If you do not have a blog that you can actually create content around your offers, it's next to impossible to be able to promote them on social media. So I'm going to be showing you how there's a way that you can work around that. Now, let's go ahead and look for an offer. Now, another problem with CPA marketing is that they do not allow all traffic for most of the offers that you find on there. Like if you have an offer for, let's say, in the BizOps category, they're going to request that your traffic comes in from or the USA or Canada. They have specific demographics for each product. That is one of the problems as well. So with CPA marketing, most people choose to use paid advertisement where you can choose your traffic for that specific offer. But there's also a way that we can work around that. Now, most CPA networks, they allow you to choose products that you can drive worldwide traffic to. Now, this, as you can see here on Market Health, they tell you that they have offers for worldwide. So now let's go there. Once you select the worldwide offers, you can choose any one of these categories to promote. Let's go to the weight loss products. Now, what we want to do here, as you can see, you have $30 per action if someone goes ahead and sign up for this particular offer and they buy it, you get paid $30. This one tells you you're going to get $45 per sale, and so on. Like the green coffee bean max CPA offer, you get paid $45 per sale. So let's go ahead and click this one. We want to see, the first thing you want to do before you promote any CPA offer is look at the landing page. The landing page, I'm sorry, I gotta go ahead. So the landing page is actually going to make or break your campaign. So that's the very first thing you need to do. Go ahead and preview the landing page of that particular offer. So yeah, this landing page is cool. I like it. And this is a worldwide offer. They allow worldwide traffic. So as you can see here, great landing page. And let's see if they have an About Us. And so yeah, there is an About Us page, the ingredients within the product, testimonials, contact us and order now, and so on. Now that we have the landing page is good to go, this is where you're going to be able to grab your affiliate link for that particular product. So you're going to go ahead and copy that. Now, the first method you can use to be able to promote this product is actually getting a domain name. You can go ahead and purchase a domain name, which you can use to mask the URL, to mask the affiliate link. So let's go. I have the Strong Sleeping Pills and it's in the health niche, so I'm going to click on manage. And this is where you would be able to add your affiliate link. Now this is one method, and this is you're gonna have to invest at least $10 for this domain name. Okay, and here it is. So you just want to click the little pen icon, and this is where you're going to be able to add in. You just want to add your affiliate link in there. Let's go ahead and add that, and you just want to remove the HTTP. Okay, and you want to select the forward only. So we're going to forward that, and we're going to select the edit tab, and you can go ahead and click on save. Now strongsleepingpills.com, if someone goes, if I use that particular URL to go ahead and put it on Facebook, and someone clicks on it, it's going to take them, it's going to redirect them to this particular landing page. But I'm not able to show you that right now because it takes at least 30 minutes for that domain name to redirect. This is one way you can do it. Now let's go to the second method. Everyone who has a Gmail account has access to Google Docs. Google Docs is, let's just go to a new page, and I'm going to show you how you can access that. So you just want to click on this little box icon and click on more, and you get the Google Docs. So once you access your Google Docs, let me just show you, you want to go ahead and grab a screenshot of this particular landing page right here. Okay, and yeah, you want to select that, you want to capture that, and you just go ahead and save that. Okay, it's done. Now this is, you know, these people, they spend a lot of money to create landing pages that actually convert. So your only job is to go ahead and save these pages and use them as a bait on social media. So yeah, I'm gonna save that as Market Health 1. Yeah, now let's go back to Google Docs, and we're gonna create a new page. So let me just go ahead and close out of this one. I'm gonna go ahead and create a brand new page for you guys right now. Okay, so I just went ahead and I just, you know, added this text in here, and it's like, you know, creating any landing page on WordPress or Wix or anywhere else. So lose weight fast with green coffee bean max. Okay, click here to get access to this cool offer today. Now, okay, I'm gonna just select that, and I'm gonna click the link tab. Let's go back to Market Health, and this is my affiliate link. I'm gonna copy that. Now with this offer, as you can see here, I get paid $45 if someone buys this particular product. So let's go back to the page, and I'm gonna add my affiliate link in here. So this is the affiliate link, and it's pasted in there. So now that we've created the landing page, all you got to do is select this share button. Okay, I'm going to save that because I didn't give that get shareable link. You want to select get shareable link, and you just go ahead and copy your link. Now anyone with this link would be able to access this document. So let's go to Facebook right now. This is where we're going to be promoting this offer. You can promote this offer on Pinterest, and you can promote this offer on Facebook. Now, the first thing you need is you need to get invited into all the different Facebook groups that you could use to be able to promote your offers in. Now, once you're invited into those groups, just go ahead and try to get invited to at least 100 Facebook groups. Let's go to Facebook offers. And okay, now that we've opened up these tabs, you just want to go in there. You have your link copied already, and you just want to paste your link in here. So we're going to paste this in here right now. Just a second. Okay, so we're going to paste that in there. So I went ahead and added a few words. If you have been looking for ways to lose weight fast with no success, then you need to check out this awesome weight loss formula. Click the image below to take advantage of this cool offer of buy one and get one free today while it still stands. So I've already told them that there's a free offer that comes along with getting a bottle of this, and they need to take advantage of this offer while it still stands. So next you want to go ahead and you want to post this. Now after you've posted it, we need to go ahead and copy it. Just a second, as usual. Okay, so yeah, what you want to do now is just click the little 3 icon up here, and you want to select the edit post. And you want to go ahead and copy this. Copy. And just save that. And you move on to the next group. So let's go back to the, let's go to the next group. In here, you want to do the same thing until you've posted this in all of your Facebook groups. This is how it works. And you do this for this offer at least 3 times a day within these groups, and you are going to make at least 2 sales. Now with $45 a pop, you're going to make at least $90 per day. So this is how it works. This is how it works. Or you can mask it, the link, or you can go ahead and create a free Google Doc. So some of your posts are going to be pending because the admin of the group is going to have to, how do you call it? They're going to have to approve it, but you don't need to worry about that. Some of these groups, they're going to allow your products. Some of them won't. So your job is to post to as many Facebook groups as possible. Just make sure to go ahead if you want to change the images, and if one landing page is not working like how you hope, or you're not getting conversions, you just go ahead and create another one with another image and add a few text to make people want to click through to the actual landing page. So this is how it works, guys. Go ahead and try this out for at least 3 days. Don't give up on your first try, because sometimes you're not going to make money on the first day, but if you're consistent with this method, you are going to be making money. I promise you that. How much you're going to make? Just a quick disclaimer, guys. I can't tell you exactly how much you're going to make, but if you're consistent and you work hard, you are going to get paid for your hard work. So I hope this video helped you guys and you learned something new today that you would be able to use. You can use this, as I said, with any CPA network. You got a lot of CPA networks out there, and I'm gonna leave a few down here if you guys want to go ahead and sign up through my link. It's gonna be really awesome of you. Yeah, but this is how you make at least $100 per day with CPA marketing. Thank you guys so much for watching, and you guys are awesome as always.